Hello, I saw your question about this first part on the homework. You've got the random numbers here. Researchers decided to test the effectiveness of a drug meant to reduce high cholesterol through a complete randomized design. She has 9 volunteers with high cholesterol. Right here's the crucial sentence. Number of the volunteers 1 through 9. Use a third row of digits. So here's row 1, 2, 3. So this bottom row is row 3. So use a third row of digits in random number table below to randomly assign 3 of the volunteers. Okay, so they just want you to start here at the third row. The first number is a 7, second number is a 4, and a 9. We're picking out 3 people, 1 to 9, so it's single digits. So 7, 4, 9, that's how they obtain these 3 numbers here. So you just picked out the first 3 numbers from this random table. Hope that helps.